Hello students, today we are going to study chapter 1 of EVS Super Senses. I have divided this chapter in 3 parts so that you can easily understand each and every topic. This is first topic we are studying now. Let's start. I think you all know about the sense organs. What are sense organs and how many sense organs do we have? Sense organs are the organs which helps us to know and understand the world around us. We have 5 sense organs and they all help us to know what is going on around us. We have ears which help us to hear. We have tongue which helps us to taste. We have eyes which helps to see the colorful world around us. We have nose which help us to smell, and our skin which helps us to touch and feel different kind of things. You know, not only we humans but animals also have sense organs. They can see, smell, taste, hear and feel. But their sense organs are super strong than us. Do you know how? Let's start reading our book. Has it ever happened that you are eating something outside your home and some of the food fallen on the ground and an eagle flew down and took away the piece of food? Can we see any food item from so far? We can't see, but the eagle can see. Or whenever you walk past a sleeping dog, you walk very softly so that his sleep is not disturbed. Still, its ears shoot up at once. How did it come to know? You know why? And also you must have definitely seen whenever you drop something sweet on ground, within a minute, many ants get collected around it. So why does it happen? How the ant came to know there is something food fallen on the ground? Sense organs of ants and animals are super strong, much more stronger than us. So that is why the thing which we can't see, smell, hear or feel, animals can feel very quickly. Some animals can see their food or prey from his far away. Some can hear even the faintest sound. Now what does faintest mean? Faintest mean the sound which is not loud, something like whispering very softly. Animals can listen clearly to the faintest sound also. So the first super sense we are going to study about is super sense of smell in ants. An ant was going along on the ground. Suddenly it saw another group of ants coming from the other side. The ant quickly backed to its hole, and as you know, there are different types of ants in a group. There is one queen ant, there are worker ants and there are guard ants also guarding the ant hole. The guard ant quickly recognized it and let it in. If I ask you, you won't be able to tell me between ants of different groups, but ants themselves are able to recognize each other. It's so amazing, na? So how did the first ant know that the other ants were not from its group? Because animals have super strong senses. Ants can recognize their friends with the help of their smell. Just like we see each other and remember each other's face, you remember your parents, friends, face like that, ants can smell and remember their friends. Now try to do an activity. Drop some sugar or jaggery or anything sweet on the ground. So how long did it take for the ants to come? Usually it will take 15 to 20 minutes. Did one ant come first or a group of ants came together? One ant came first and then a group of ants came. What did the ants do with the food? The ants carry the food to their home. Where do they go from there? They went to their ant hole from there. Do they move in a line? Yes, ants always move in a line. Here you can see how ants are moving in a line. How they know which way to go. They know this because ants leave a special kind of smell on the ground when they move, and other ants at the back follow the smell and find their way. Just like ants, even dogs also have super sense of smell. Have you seen a dog sniffing here and there? What do you think? It is trying to smell. First of all, you must have seen dogs always do toilet here and there. While doing toilet here and there, they mark their own area, and you know very well that whenever a new dog comes to our area, how strongly the dogs of our area barks at the new dog. Dogs never allow a new dog to enter the area. So, to mark out their area, dog urines here and there. And this dog in the picture trying to smell the urine, and he is trying to find out whether this area belongs to any other dog or not. So, in what way do human beings make use of dogs? This special sense of smells of dogs? We can use dogs to detect stolen things, to catch thieves, or to find bombs. So, let us summarize which all animals have super sense of smell. The first animal is rat. Rat can smell the food fallen on the ground from a far distance. Second is dog. As we have already discussed, dogs can find out stolen things, catch thieves, and hidden bombs. Third one is bear. Even bear can smell fish inside the river water, and it can catch its prey. What about mosquitoes? Even mosquitoes also can sense the smell of your body. Mosquitoes can sense the heat of your body. So this is how the mosquitoes have super sense of smell. And ants. As we have already discussed, ants can recognize friends with the help of sense of smell. Super sense helps an animal to find its food or protect themselves from predators. Now, who are predators? Predators are those animals who comes to attack the animal. Now, one question. When do you find your sense of smell helpful to you? List some examples, like you know by the smell that food had gone bad or something is burning in the kitchen. This is how we also take the help of our sense of the smell. Like that, we can recognize the smell of flowers, perfumes, tasty food, incense stick, leaking gas in the kitchen, etc. We can find out with the help of our sense of smell. Name some animals that you would be recognized only by their smell without seeing them. So we can recognize animals with the smell of their body, such as cow, dog, cat, fish, etc. with their smell. Now you have to write names of 5 things whose smell you like and you don't like. So I like the smell of perfume, flowers, my favorite food, incense stick, and soap or shampoo. I do not like the smell of garbage, cow dung, dead fish, urine or potty. Here you can also write your own answers as well. So now we are going to study about a story. Today Rajni had to go out for some important work. So she had to leave her 6-month-old son Deepak with her sister Sushila. What happened? This is lady in the picture. Her name is Sushila. Now Sushila auntie's sister Rajni had to go out for some work and she had a small baby. So she requested the Sushila auntie to take care of her son Deepak for some time. It was such a funny incident that both the babies did potty at the same time. Sushila happily cleaned her daughter, but when it was turn her to clean Deepak's nappy, she covered her nose with her dupatta. Why it happened so? Why do you think this had happened? Because when we feel something is dirty, we find it smell bad. Sushila felt Deepak's nappy dirty, so she had to cover her nose while cleaning. Whereas when she cleaned her daughter's nappy, she did not feel it being dirty because she was used to cleaning her own baby's nappy. But Deepak's nappy was first time for her, so she felt that Deepak's nappy was dirty. How do you feel when you walk near a heap of garbage? Think of children who spend the whole day picking things from such garbage. We feel very bad when we walk near a heap of garbage. We feel very smelly, but the children who spend their whole day picking the things from garbage, they become used to the smell. So that is why they don't feel bad. Here we have to note that smell depend on how people think about it. But some smell are always bad for most of the people, like smell of cow dung, urine or potty. So this is the end of first topic where we have discussed super sense of smell of ants, dogs, mosquitoes, etc. We will meet soon with another topic of the chapter. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Take care.